Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA SPORTS Madden NFL 26 crashing or not launching or not loading or lagging issue on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check network connection. If there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing or other issue can occur. So you are suggested to check your network connection properly and make sure it is stable. Or you can use another hotspot to see if this works to fix the issue. The next solution is to clear Xbox cache. For that, click on Xbox symbol, then move down and select settings. After that, go to system, select console info, then click on reset console, and after that select reset and keep my games and apps option. This will clear the Xbox cache and then try to launch the game and check if this works. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, click on Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system and then click on storage. After that, check whether there is available space or not. If not, then simply delete some unused apps or data or games to create space and then launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next method is to check for the game update. Apart from console, you should ensure that the game is also updated and not running on older version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve the performance. So make sure you check for update and then try to launch the game and see if it works. Next solution is to check for overheating. The crashing or other issue on Xbox can also occur due to overheating of the device. So make sure to take care of it, and there is no such kind of object that is leading to heat up. You can go to settings, then click on system, then console info, and here check for temperature. If it's high, then make it cool by placing it in a cooler area or wait for some time unless it cools down. Next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest version and not running on outdated. For that, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available, and after that try to update your Xbox and then launch the game and see if this solution works for you. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, click on Xbox button. After that, go to settings under profile and system. Then go to account, click on remove accounts. Now choose the account to remove and finally click on remove option. After that, wait for some time and again add your account and then try to play the game and see if you can play it now without any problem. The next method is to delete saved data. For that, open settings, go to my games and apps, select see all option, then games, and here select game title. After that, click on menu button, manage games and add-ons and then saved data. Here delete the saved data and finally restart your console once. After that, try to launch the game and see if it works. Next is to reinstall the game. For that, first press Xbox button controller, then go to my games and apps. Here select see all option. After that, you need to select the game, then click on menu button and here select uninstall. After the game is removed, now go to the official website or from where you can download the game, and after that, after downloading, launch the game and see if it's now working. The next solution is to contact support team. So whenever after following the methods it doesn't work or you still face the crashing or other issues on your Xbox, it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. Simply raise a ticket to let them know about the error, and hopefully they will better guide you what to do and they will try to resolve the issue from their side. So these are some solutions suggested to fix the game EA Sports Madden NFL 26 crashing or not launching or showing any other kind of error on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.